This is obviously a Les Paul Custom that we took that roller bridge off, went back to our Tone Pro bridge. This is also a Tone Pro tailpiece. The Duncan pickups are set up. So this Tone Pro tailpiece was a good choice. It's rock solid. It actually locks to the post. There's little set screws here. We went back to the Tone Pro bridge as well. I took the roller bridge that had the weird string spacing, and we've gone back to, this is more or less stock. It's like a stock Gibson bridge, just a little better. Also has the locking set screws for the posts. So everything is rock solid. Everything's perfectly in tune. Mike had a couple of Seymour Duncan pickups dropped in there. They're set up now, nice and balanced between the two pickups. And this is our compensated nut. So Mike can now strum all those cowboy chords in the first position. The guitar's perfectly in tune. I'll bring it in the studio, plug it in, and let you hear it. We also dressed the frets at the top end there on the bass side. They needed to be touched up. And then I went full length, leveled, crowned, and polished. And this guitar, for the first time since he's owned it, he can just relax and play. It's perfectly in tune. Have a listen. So we've got Mike's Les Paul Custom here that we've done a compensated nut fret dress. Almost exactly the same job as the last Les Paul that had that string butler thing on it. Same customer, back with a second Les Paul. I have a progression I'm going to play that's C sharp minor. Starts with a C sharp minor, then I go to E major 9, A major 7th, D sharp minor 7 flat 5, to G sharp 7 sharp 5. So I go through that twice. The second time I play all the same chords, basically the same chords in different positions, and then I've got it looped. So second time through, same thing, starts the same, but I'm playing my E major 7 like this, and then my A major 7 here, same D sharp minor 7 flat 5, and then G sharp 7 sharp 9. So again, I'm going to play through it quickly. Second time. So that's what I've looped. I'm going to let that play. I'm going to blow over top, and I'll come back in a second and just play some sort of garden variety GCD chords, which, you know, he's playing in this tragically hip band. They're playing all those first position chords, A minor, C, G, D. So all those chords play perfectly in tune. Oh, by the way, the whole thing is in E flat. We're tuned down a half step. So it's E flat tuning, standard, with 10 to 46 strings. So I'm going to let this loop go. So everything's wide open, full tone, full volume. I'm just going to flick the pickup selector switch, and you can kind of hear the difference between the two pickups. Here goes. Both pickups. so here's some just regular first position chords, G, which, you know, he's going to be playing a lot of these chords in this gig that he's got right now. Here's your E chord. C, A, and that's basically it. Same job as the last Les Paul he had. Done deal. He's ready for the gig. Cheers.